Good evening. Again, who wants to look simple when you can look stunning? So I'm at the Shashi Vangupalli again. So guess what? Today's collection is completely about the handwork, hand embroidery and everything. It is not so easy as you think. Hand embroidery and handmade works are so expensive just because they take a lot of time, lot of effort. Everything is hard work. With hard work they make a beautiful design, and it is not one or two people coming together and just doing like a hobby and then giving you a beautiful concept. It is around 30 to 40 people doing one lehenga. It will almost take around 40 to 50 days to get stitched, to make the handloom, embroidery, handwork and everything. They make up such beautiful designs as I wear today. And guess what? You have this super 20% off today. And about all the lehengas which I'll be explaining it today, you have 20% off, because I'll just let you know the price. So this lehenga which I'm wearing is a combination of silver lining with a dusky orange color shade, which is a combination of blue and cream color. I can say this is a high neck blouse, a sleeveless high neck blouse over here, which has this kardana work and a sequence work, and completely a handloom and hand printed, hand embroidery one. It even have this beautiful hand embroidered lehenga with the beautiful sequence, again this kardana work, again the floral design and the sequence again, and the paper tissues. Those small tiny tissues over the border gives the special attraction and the look towards the lehenga. And you have the satin, that kind of ribbon thing, which gives you an elegant look to the overall lehenga, I can say. So this outfit even has this beautiful kardana work, the sequence, beautiful kardana, and the pattern, dupatta lehenga again on this. So to get this outfit, beautiful outfit I can say, to get this, order it online, and it goes around the price of 1 to 2 lakhs, and you can get flat 20% off on this outfit. To get this outfit to your doorstep, just order to this number, and just place an order of this beautiful outfit again. You have the tiny 3D flowers at the bottom again. Again, it is a beautiful lehenga with a combination of organza dupatta over this, and this pattern and these cuts, umbrella cuts I can say, with a beautiful kardana work, the silver lining over this, kardana patti sequence I can say, patti sequence, kardana, and the beautiful embroidered. Hand embroidery is so tough, but yet so simple to wear again. So this even has the beautiful blouse, which is half sleeved, like it is not sleeveless and not even a sleeve completely sleeved. It has this half sleeve and zigzag cut of this blouse with a beautiful mystic yellow and green type of yellow combination with the sequence and the kardana work over here, the floral sequence with the silver lining. And coming to this lehenga, you have this beautiful velvet floral design here and there with the beautiful silver lining I can say. The kardana here and there gives the amazing look over this, and you have this kardana filled inside this. You have the outer velvet floral design out of this, and kardana filled inside this. And to get this yellow and green lehenga with a beautiful kardana work and sequence here, with the zigzag sequence again, with a beautiful border of this satin, mystic yellow I can say. To get this organza, this beautiful dupatta, you can get this you can order this online and get for the rupees around 1 to 2 lakh. And to order this, you can just contact to this number and just get this beautiful lehenga, and you'll have this flat 20% off on this lehenga. Not just that lehenga, this you'll have 20% off on almost all the lehengas which I'll be showing today. Okay, here comes the magical mango yellow I can say, because it is a combination of double shaded lehenga, a 3-piece lehenga again. So it is a combination of dark mango yellow and a lime yellow. So it gives the elegant look when you're just walking from far, and it gives the beautiful choker neck dupatta again with the kardana work and the patti design. It is hand embroidered, and you have the V-neck towards the blouse and the beautiful dropping stones here and there, and you have this beautiful kardana and patti design over this ending again, a beautiful lining again here, with a beautiful mango, tinted mango yellow color shade, and you have the lime yellow, light lime yellow, and coming towards the darker shade of this lehenga, you have this beautiful kardana work and the sequence design from the top to bottom. The same sequence goes up, and it is a combination of kardana and the sequence lines with a double shaded, mango satin lining, I could say. It is a double shaded one. You have the lighter shade on the up, and then towards the down you have the darker shade, which gives the elegant look again. So to get this beautiful lehenga, you can get order it online and get for the rupees around 1 to 2 lakh, and then you'll have flat 20% off on this lehenga. If you order online to this number, just to place the orders, just take this number, take a screenshot, you can take this number, order this online and get flat 20% off. This is amazing. I really love this because it has a beautiful sequence work, and this, when you're walking, it gives the elegant, and it feels like princess, like every girl wants to wear such dropping beautiful lehengas over this. So you have this round neck over here, coming to the top, round neck with the floral and kardana work towards the sleeves, and you have the beautiful droppings over the center. While you're walking, it looks amazing and elegant though. Every line is different and unique in its way, with a beautiful sequence from top to bottom of this crop top lehenga. So you have this orange and peach color of shade with a border of kardana and patti print. Like it is completely hand embroidery with a sequence of silver lining. And this looks amazing though. This shade of cream and orange kind of shade gives you amazing look. And guess what? You have this beautiful 3D flowers, I can say. This may be a new word to you, but then 3D flowers looks amazing in each and every photographs, I can say, because these 3D flowers are also handmade, hand embroidered everything. So this hand embroidered lehenga with floral and patti designs here and there gives the amazing look with a tinge of orange and pink, baby pink or rose pink shade of 3D flowers here and there. You have the sequence of pink and orange, or peach and orange, or cream and orange. Every combination is ultimate though. You have this beautiful hand embroidered lehenga. Towards the down you have the zigzag and kardana work over here, the proper silver lining and the satin border at the down to make this lehenga more elegant. So to get this beautiful and amazing lehenga with the nice droppings over here, you can get it online and then order for the rupees like it will be around 1 to 2 lakh, and you get flat 20% off on this lehenga. To place an order, contact to this number and place your orders because you have flat 20% off on this lehenga. Again amazing lehenga which comes with a rose pink blouse with a beautiful sequence and kardana work at the top of this. You have this round neck, like a bottle neck, beautiful kardana work at this border with a sequence, and then you have this pink mystic droppings with a grand border at the sleeves as well, with a proper lining. And after this crop top, you have this beautiful, silver and pink lining sequence here. And then you have this amazing proper lining over here, a diamond kardana work, I can say. It is filled with silver lining inside. So you again have this kardana work going, from a small kardana work to a broader one. It gives the elegant look to this lehenga. You have this here and there 3D flowers between the kardana work, which makes this lehenga look more elegant and beautiful. You have this beautiful 3D flowers, I can say. These are completely handmade and hand embroidered. So this lehenga is a pattern of sequence and this beautiful kardana work. It is a combination of this organza, dupatta, where here and go it will go with the sequence, with a beautiful dot dropping sequence. And then look at the border. You have this beautiful kardana work, kardana silver lining inside, and the sequence with the border coming up to the sides. You have the silver lining and this nice creamy peachy color at the end. So to get this lehenga, you'll be getting it for the price of 1 to 2 lakh. And to order this online, just contact to this number and place your orders because we have flat 20% off at Shashi Wangapalli. Not only on that lehenga, not this, every lehenga which I'll be showing today, only today. So those were netted lehengas. This is completely different, where I can say this is a netted lehenga with again a sequence, but this cloth is called raw silk. So raw silk lehengas are really attractive, eye-catchy, I can say, with a beautiful pink color with a golden golden sequence and the kardana work here and there. The beautiful kardana work at the cut of this blouse. You have again the sequence going on from top to bottom to this beautiful lehenga. The kardana and patti sequence over here. You have the double border design, where this completely broad pattern comes with a beautiful silver lining and the gold lining in between, and the floral designs of this completely pattern. And here comes the kardana work, kardana sequence at the top, at the bottom of this kardana and the sequence pattern. You again have this beautiful grand golden border again at the down with the floral design and patti sequence. So you have with the combination of this beautiful raw silk lehenga, you'll be getting this beautiful choker type and a floral sequenced dupatta with a combination of net, light net and double shaded net. I can say, as you can see, it is a double shaded one. To the completely raw silk single shade lehenga, the double shaded dupatta gives the most attractive look, I can say, because it is a combination of baby pink and the mystic rani pink. So to get this beautiful lehenga, you can just order it online and get for rupees around 1 to 2 lakh, and you'll get it flat 20% off on this lehenga. So just place your orders and get your orders done. Just order to this number or get in contact with Shashi Wangupalli. So here is another netted lehenga. It is completely handcrafted and it is hand embroidered lehenga, which is a sequence of a peach color shade at the top of this dupatta, where you have the choker neck with a nice satin border over this and the kardana patti sequence over this. And coming to the blouse, you have this U neck and the sequence of kardana work and floral design here and there. You have the patti sequence design over to this hand piece with a nice 3-line border with patti sequence again. So coming to the lehenga, you have the same order sequence from top to bottom. So you have the patti sequence and the kardana sequence too, with a silver lining here and there with a floral print. And coming to the border, you have this broad border, I can say 3 to 5 line border, I can say, with the kardana work and silver lining over this. Beautiful satin crepe satin thing at the border too, with the patti sequence, and it is completely hand embroidered. And you can get this double shaded lehenga because it is cream up shade and it is kind of orangish tinted look down towards down. So it gives you the completely sunset type kind of look, and it is perfect for the evenings, I can say, because it is double shaded and it looks amazing on each and every photograph. So to get this lehenga, you'll be getting it for around 1 to 2 lakhs, and you'll have 20% off on this lehenga. So if you wanted to order this lehenga, you can just scan this number and then you can just place your orders here and get this beautiful lehengas today done, because you'll get a flat 20% discount on this. So coming again to organza dupatta style again. So you have this choker beautiful neck, which comes with the kardana work and the small mirror plating work to the combination of organza, and you have the beautiful work sequence, completely sequenced. You have this type of, it looks like sleeveless one, but it has the 3/4 hands with the broad pattern of this. So you have this broad pattern which comes with the sequence and kardana work over here, and the blouse and this the 3/4 pattern comes amazing to this. So coming to the lehenga, you have this diamond blocks over here. Diamond blocks till half, filled with kardana hand embroidered work. It is nicely lined up here like a cubes, or I can say a diamond thing, and filled with kardana inside with the silver lining. And coming to the half of the lehenga, you have the zigzag print, you can say triangle print as well, zigzag print at the top, and carried down you have this triangle shape again, getting back to its own. You have this beautiful triangle shape with the kardana sequence and the silver lining in between. And again, the small from the small diamond blocks, it keeps on going big and big. So the bigger the diamond blocks are, the bigger and the most attractive it looks. So you have the most big diamond block here, I can say, with beautiful kardana again. And you have this golden mystic gold, the satin type of ending towards the lehenga to give the elegant look overall. So to get this lehenga, you'll be getting around for 1 to 2 lakhs. So to get this, order online to this number, and then you'll be getting 20% off on this lehenga. So to just order this lehenga, you can just order it online to this number. Well, blue is one of my favorite colors, the coolest color I can say, because this has a beautiful blouse and everything. And this lehenga is also a hand embroidered one. It takes so hard to make this lehenga, and it looks so beautiful right now. So it has the organza dupatta over this, and you have this nice neck embroidered with patti sequence and floral design, and hand embroidered work over the blouse. And you have the full handed blouse to this with the grand border at the end, which is the sequence of silver lining and the beautiful droppings too. You have the droppings with the floral design. And coming to this lehenga, you have sequence and here and there floral designs with the kardana work, complete kardana work. And you have this zigzag sequence again, a dark blue shade of kardana, and then droppings here and there, a floral or patti sequence here. And then coming to the grand border, you have this beautiful, amazing, zigzag triangle border towards the end with the kardana sequence, and it is hand embroidered, I can say. This is a combination of silver and copper lining, because this is so huge and looks elegant on each and every Indian wedding, I can say, because it is a combination of copper and silver lining with a background of blue. So it even has this beautiful dupatta, which is a combination of satin and this kardana print, and it is completely hand embroidered. You have this organza dupatta with a sequence here and there with a floral print. So to get this mystic blue, so it is so cool to wear, it is so easy to carry. To get this beautiful blue lehenga, you can just order it online, and you can get this for the price of 1 to 2 lakhs, and you will get flat 20% discount. So if you want to order this lehenga, you can just contact to this number and make your orders. Here comes again the lime yellow. So the lime yellow looks elegant on haldi function, I can say. So the haldi celebrations with cousin gives the elegant look for the whole wedding, I can say. So this is a netted and organza ruffled dupatta to this, which is so elegant. It has the ruffled dupatta here, ruffled sequence dupatta to a completely kardana sequence. Coming to the blouse, you have the round neck and the netted pattern over here. You have the patti sequence and the kardana work with a beautiful netted blouse. And coming to the lehenga, you have the same pattern from top to bottom. So you have the same kardana work and hand embroidered patti design, with the sequence, beautiful sequence of black and silver and lime yellow color. And coming to the end, you have the double lining with a combination of satin and netted border, I can say. So this complete sequence gives the amazing look to the border, and this is a special attraction to this. So this ruffle netted ruffle netted dupatta gives amazing look for this. So to get this lehenga to your doorstep, just order it online and then get it for the price of around 1 to 2 lakh and get flat 20% off on this. So just place an order, contact this number and place your orders. Just amazing designs with flat 20% off. So blue is my favorite color again. So coming to all these blues are just amazing, I can say. So you have the choker plated border with the dupatta, I can say, with a beautiful lightweight netted dupatta to this blue, silver lining and kardana work here and there with the choker necklace dupatta. So you have this V neck over to the blouse, and the Kardana sequence completely bloused with a floral print here and there. So you have this semi-sleeved netted sequence with a floral, floral sequence again. So coming to the lehenga, you have the same Kardana work as you have the blouse till the half of the lehenga with the sequence Kardana work. And from here you have the velvet and Kardana. These velvet small floral designs give the elegant look for this Kardana. And then you have the round beautiful plated Kardana work and the hand embroidered one. You have this beautiful velvet droppings and floral design combined with Kardana here and there. So this gives the grand border look. Towards the ending also you have the Kardana work and the velvet small tiny floral design here. And it is completely hand embroidery, and it is a sequence of silver lining, I can say, with a beautiful elegant border towards the end. So to get this lehenga online, you can just place the order to the given number, and then you'll get this lehenga around 1 to 2 lakhs again. So you'll get flat 20% off on this lehenga. To just order this lehenga, you can just contact to this number and place your orders. So this is again one of my favorite lehengas because it comes in a combination of coffee and cream color. So coffee and cream is a combination of cappuccino, I can say. So it looks like a beautiful cappuccino coffee when you wear it. So this is a sequence coming from dupatta. It is a sequence of double shaded lehenga with coffee and cream color with Kardana work here and there, and with a beautiful mirror plated and Kardana sequence at the border too. And coming to the blouse, it has this oval neck, I can say, with the beautiful droppings on the sleeves and the grand border towards the end with the floral design and the sequence of Kardana here. And then the blouse is completely hand embroidered with a sequence of Kardana and silver plating over here with a thread, I can say. And guess what? It is a plastic lehenga because it is completely made of plastic threads and all. So it is hand embroidered. It is not printed nor stitched. It is completely hand embroidered with a double shade of coffee and cream color. So coming to the lehenga, you'll have this amazing droppings over the plates like this kundan work and type of thing. So you have the sequence again, sequence and the V-shape sequence again goes with the Kardana work, and again the silver lining sequence with a triangle border here and there. Again gives the grand look at the bottom with the Kardana work and hand printed embroidery with a beautiful sequence with a coffee color. It is a double shaded one. It comes with a cream and coffee shade, and it is completely a plastic lehenga, I can say. This is new to here, new word to be listened, but then it is so elegant, easy to wear, and it is completely a plastic lehenga which is made of plastic here and there, you can say. In between the sequence, it is plastic which is stuffed into, and it is completely hand embroidered, not a machine made thing. So to get this beautiful plastic double shaded coffee cream lehenga, you can get it for the price around 1 to 2 lakhs only. So to get this lehenga, you'll get flat 20% off. To order this lehenga, you can order to this number and place your orders done. So saluting and being thankful to all these hard workers behind this beautiful lehengas, because they are not 1 to 2 people, they are around 30 to 40 people, and it takes so long days. Like they need to work hard to get prepare such beautiful lehengas. So you have this flat 20% lehengas on all the lehengas which I showed today. So just come to Shashi Wangupalli and get your lehengas done or order it online. Thank you.